Dear students, today I'll be talking with you about Germany. Some time back, about 9 decades ago, rather a century ago, one party was formed in Germany, that is Nazi Party. This Nazi Party was founded by one ironsmith of Munich, and his name was Anton Drexler. At that time, its name was German Workers' Party. There was another group whose leader was Karl Harrier. In 1919, both merged and came to be known as National Socialist Party. And later on, Hitler gave it name the Nazi Party. And Hitler prepared one army, and that army was called the Storm of Troopers. Swastik was its insignia. He also created the defense squads. Nazi Party slowly merging in the politics, and they won the elections in 1933, through which Hitler was made the Chancellor of Germany. And later on 2nd August 1934, Hitler became the dictator of Germany. And he became the president as well as the chancellor. All the powers rest with Hitler. So his party was Nazi. What was his principle? Briefly, I'll let you know. They used to say state is above everything. Expansion of Germany, end of the humiliating Treaty of Versailles, which was signed in 1919. Then they will have a powerful army. They also said Germans are Aryans. Also declared that they are against the Jews. All powers in the hands of one ruler. Swastik as their emblem. They believe in fighting, not in favor of freedom of press. Against the socialism and capitalism, they were in favor of agriculture as well as the industrial growth. They hates the Jews, and they were in favor of jobs for the Germans in the public and the private sector. Now, why I am speaking before you about the Nazi Party now, which was founded 100 years ago. Actually, it was on 24th of September 2020. Chancellor Angela Merkel and the defense minister of Germany, that is Miss Annegret Kramp, they declared that in Germany there is a rise of Neo Nazism, and which is spreading very fast. What's the story behind it? There is a one counter intelligence in the military of, in the defense of Germany, called MAD, M-A-D. Christo Gray was its head. He was to retire on 24 September 2020. And they said he will be compulsorily retired. It was in July 2020, the Defense Minister, Miss Angrete Kramp, she talks about KSK. It is Commando Special Crafty, sort of a NSG or SPG of India. It was set up in 1996. This is the best for the hostages, and it is basically used for the combat operations and the difficult operations. This KSK had 4 units, and she declared in July 2020, the Defense Minister of Germany, Miss Kramp, she said, we'll disband 1 unit of KSK. I've told you it had 4 units closed down, and they will re-recruit the new commandos, because that group, 1 group which was banned, which was discontinued, they had fundamentalistic views, and in July 2020, they had a raid on the 1 sergeant major, his residence, and they found a lot of material which was pro-Neo Nazis, and they were pro-Hitlerian views. And he was also associated with different organizations, and there was a huge bunker in his house. A lot of material was found, and a lot of ammunition was also found. These people who are pro-Nazis, they salute in a different way. That is Sieg Heil, like Hitler used to salute. And they even toss the head of the pigs. Why? Because the pigs is auspicious among the Jews as well as the Muslims. They want to show that they hate the Jews as well as the Muslims. Just now I have told you the principles, the main principles of the Nazis, and one of the principles is to hate the Jews, hate the minorities. There were more than 20 commandos of the new Nazi views. Means they had a hate for the Jews, believes in Holocaust, killing the minorities. A lot of defense equipment, ammunition was missing from camps of this KSK. Its head of this Mr. Christopher was making the inquiry. Within 5 years, he was to give the report, but he didn't give the report. In 2017, one incident took place. They planned the terror attacks, and they even used the Nazi helmets found from lot many army personals. 29 officers were suspended. There is NSU 2.0, that is Nationalist Socialist Underground, one group. Even one film actress was threatened by them. More than 600 Germans are on the radar, are on the lens. They're having extremist right view. Neo Nazism is spreading in Germany like anything. Earlier, the government was hiding it and they were not declaring it. But now, recently, the Chancellor Angela Merkel admitted it. Yes, there is a rise of the fundamentalists or the Nazism, which is called the Neo Nazism in Germany. So means right-wing extremists, they are fundamentalists, they are making their space in Germany. We have seen in Iran, already the fundamentalism is there. And China, Xi Jinping, almost a dictator. Russia, Putin, he will remain the ruler up till 2036. Belarus, he's there. Lukashenko, he's there. North Korea, Kim, he's another having a rightist, ultra-rightist views. Israel, then we are having Arabia, who is funding lot many organizations, terrorist organizations. There is a group among them that is Wahhabis. They are funding them. Pakistan, where army is having a full-fledged control. So lot many countries are there where this right wings, ultra right wings, fundamentalists, they are coming up. If this thing will continue, what will happen? Is it necessary for the world? Is it necessary for the society? And will they bring the healthier atmosphere in the future? The time will tell. Thank you very much.